Hi friends, welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. I'm going to show you an important canning hack. So either you're new to canning or somebody gifted you something amazing to eat and you're like, how am I supposed to eat this? How do I get it open? Do I take a knife to it, or is there like a special tool? This is your tool. Watch this, folks. This is how you open your beautiful food. You just take this ring right here. Please, everybody, if you're going to gift food to your loved ones, send them with the ring. They will appreciate you because this video will make sense. All right, you take the ring, hook it underneath the lid, and with your two hands, just pop it right out. Food time! Alright, if this was helpful, please subscribe, send me a comment, let me know you care. Bye!